Hi guys, and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. Today is another day and another review. And today I have a very interesting makeup product with me, and it is one of the best eyeshadow palettes that I have come across. To know what it is, keep watching the video. So today I have a very amazing eyeshadow palette with me, and it is the good old Lakme Absolute Midnight Magic. So this eyeshadow palette is one of my recent purchases, and I would like to review this today. So we are talking about eyeshadows, and I am not somebody who uses eyeshadow too regularly unless I'm shooting for my videos. So I don't necessarily hold on to a lot of eyeshadows, but if there is a one or two eyeshadow palettes that one should have, I think there are only two eyeshadow palettes that one should have. One is something which is nude and peachy for the day, and one is all out, like for the night look or for the smoky eye look. And here is this product. So I have this Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, and this one's called Midnight Magic, and they recently launched these eyeshadow palettes, and they are really nice. And I got it from a local Health and Glow store here in Bangalore, and they had four variants in this, four if I'm not wrong, and but I like this one better because I like the colors in this one better, the Midnight Magic. This one absolutely rules when it comes to smoky eyes and general night looks. And if you're wondering, I'm wearing eyeshadows from the palette at the moment. So so this is, you can create amazing night looks and slightly heavier makeup looks with this palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Whoa, look at that. So this is a compact cardboard box, and it comes in another plastic casing, and yeah, this is how the palette looks. Yeah, so this is the Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in Midnight Magic. If you see, I picked up this one because, like I said, I don't like to invest too much on eyeshadows because I hardly use them. But this one is an exception because if you see, it has got a great balance of colors in it. So there are a total 12 colors in this one, and there are 6 shimmer shades. So there are 6 matte and 6 shimmer shades in this eyeshadow palette. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. So this palette, this is how it is. It has a nice little mirror out here, so you can see, on this mirror you can see your eyes with a close-up to apply makeup. And it comes with this applicator which is placed here. So this is how it is. So I'm just going to keep this down for now, and let's look at the colors. Look at the beautiful colors that there are. I mean, they have an amazing collection of colors in this palette. Like I said, they have a great balance of shimmer as well as matte shades, so when you want shimmer, you can start off with a matte and then finish it with a shimmer. That's how usually you do the eyeshadow looks. And so if you see, they have a slightly nude brown shades here, yeah, and then they have this pop pink here. They have a decent amethyst kind of a like a purple tone color, which kind of is neither pink, neither neither warm, neither cool. So they have slightly like a magenta color or whatever. And then they have this really beautiful red color, which you can really make nice red smoky eyes with this one. And you also have a blue, which is like a turquoise blue of sorts, which is a shimmer shade. And you have the gray. So the gray is what I'm wearing right now. If you can see here, can you see this? Yeah, so the gray. And you have browns, you have a nice bronze shimmer. This is a shimmer shade, can you see it? And you have gray. So this has essentially most of the colors that one would need, in fact, to create a day or night look. Like these shades you can create a day look with, and these shimmer you can create a night look, or you can combine the both and create a nice heavy textured smoky eye. And this beautiful pop of pink is really nice. I really like this thing, and the eyeshadows are extremely pigmented. I'm going to show you the swatch of these eyeshadows. I'm going to show a shimmer, which is this bronze shimmer, and I am going to show maybe the matte one, so the red one. So I have them on my fingers here, and look at this. Can you see this? So this is how the shades look. This one's a nice bronze. It's a shimmer bronze. So like I said, you can just have this for your day look, and this beautiful red. You can create nice smoky eye. The red smoky eye is in currently. It is trending. So you can create fun looks with these. And the pink, I mean, you cannot, I cannot resist swatching the pink, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it. So here is the pink, and look at that. So it is a very, so although say they're too pigmented, they're not very pigmented, but for me, who is somebody who's starting off with like makeup, I'm not a professional artist or something, I think these are pretty good palette colors to have with. And they are blendable. I'm just going to go ahead and blend these out for you. I'm going to start blending the pink. Yeah, so see, it for the first application it looks it looks too pigmented, but as you blend it, it gives a beautiful payoff. I like these. It's, you know, what you need from an eyeshadow depends on how you use it. So like I said, I'm not too big with eyeshadows, or neither am I a professional makeup artist, so I do not require my eyeshadows to be like perfect and prim and proper, that they won't move. I don't want the kind of pigmentation that looks good only on camera. I mean, I want to be able to wear these eyeshadows every day whenever I go out, just a little bit of color on my eyelid. So for that purpose, I think these are good. These are amazing for somebody who's beginning to wear eyeshadows. And I recommend this palette because it's got almost all the colors that one would require. Like it has pinks, it has purples, it has blue, it has gray, it has browns, it has shimmer, it has red. So practically any eye look is doable with this palette. You might want to get a nude palette just to complement with this one, but I'm just fine with this one, you know. So the only thing is you won't have light highlighter kind of shades for your eyebrows. You might have to buy a separate highlighter. But all in all, I think this palette, which is priced at $9.95, so something which is within 1,000 rupees, if you're getting an eyeshadow palette with 12 shades in it, which is 6 matte and 6 shimmer shades, I think it is a great deal. I think you should definitely have this in your makeup box, so that, you know, if you have to get ready or go out or whatever, you know, for a night out, this would really come handy. So this is my take on the Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, and I loved reviewing this product. Do let me know what you feel about this eyeshadow, what your experience has been, or do let me know what you would want to what review do you want to see next. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.